Okay, here's one where we're trying to subtract a mixed number from another mixed number. And notice that the fraction portion of these mixed numbers do not have a common denominator, which we have to have for adding or subtracting with any fractions. Because 4 goes into 8 evenly, we can keep 8 as our common denominator, which means we don't have to change this fraction at all. But my numerator, or my top number, will need to be changed to 8. I keep the whole number 5, but the 1/4, if we multiply the top and bottom by 2, would create an equivalent fraction of 2/8, equivalent to 1/4. And then subtract our 2 and 3/8. 3 from 2 we can't do. So we're going to have to do the borrowing piece, which is only necessary in subtracting mixed numbers when the top number's numerator is smaller than the bottom. So in order to borrow, we're going to have to make more number of 8s here. We take one whole away and make that a 4. But the one we borrow, if we're going to put it over here, is 8 over 8. It's equivalent to 8/8. So number 1 can be written as 8/8. So if I add that 8/8 to these 2/8, I get 4 as my whole number, and 8/8 plus 2/8 is 10/8, and then subtract my 2 and 3/8. So when you have to borrow, you don't know that you need to borrow until you've made your common denominator. And then if this numerator is smaller than this one, then that's the clue to do the borrowing. 3 from 10 is 7/8. Keep the common denominator, and 2 from 4 is 2. And that's finished.